Welcome to GBE Automobile 237, your go-to source for automotive maintenance and advice. Today, we'll discuss an essential topic: why your fast drives are damaging your engine. Many drivers love stepping on the gas to save time, or simply for the thrill of driving fast. But behind this habit lies a real danger to your engine's health. Driving at high speeds puts significant stress on mechanical components. The engine operates at high RPMs, generating excessive heat that the cooling system sometimes struggles to dissipate, especially if it is not properly maintained. This overheating can eventually damage critical components such as gaskets, the radiator, or even the engine block. Additionally, pistons, valves, and connecting rods, which operate at much higher speeds than normal, experience accelerated wear and tear. On top of that, there is excessive oil consumption, which is vital for lubricating moving parts. Low oil levels can cause internal friction, irreparably damaging the engine. Fast drives not only wear out your engine, but also increase vibrations in the vehicle, which can loosen parts or cause issues in the exhaust system and transmission. These effects are not always immediate, but their accumulation can lead to major breakdowns, often expensive to repair. In urban settings, fast drives are even more problematic due to frequent stops and abrupt starts, which put additional strain on the engine. If you drive fast when your engine is still cold, the risks of damage multiply. Because the parts are not yet well lubricated at low temperatures, an overworked engine can lose up to 30% of its intended lifespan. For instance, an engine designed to last 300,000 km might show signs of weakness at 200,000 km, or even earlier. To prevent this, adopt a more moderate driving style. Always let your engine warm up before driving fast. Adhere to oil change intervals, and avoid sudden accelerations. These simple actions help preserve your engine and reduce costly repair expenses. Every time you drive fast, ask yourself, are those few minutes saved really worth the risk of damaging your car or emptying your wallet for repairs? By driving at moderate speeds, you not only protect your engine, but also save fuel and reduce overall vehicle wear and tear. Even sports cars, designed for high performance, require meticulous maintenance and responsible driving to avoid breakdowns. So, the next time you're tempted to push your car to its limits, think about the impact on your engine and your wallet. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all our tips and advice. Safe driving is not just about safety, it's also the best way to protect your vehicle and save money in the long run.